This phenomenon occurs when a massive underwater landslide creates a megatsunami, with force equivalent to 1 billion nuclear bombs. Deep beneath the ocean's surface, a secret world teems with life, from glowing jellyfish to colossal squid, and even ancient ships frozen in time. Yet, despite its vastness, the ocean's delicate balance is threatened by humanity's actions. Pollution, overfishing, and climate change all take a devastating toll on the marine ecosystem. But what's the most alarming consequence of our neglect? According to scientists, the world's oceans are on the brink of a catastrophic collapse, with potentially disastrous effects on global food security and economies. Imagine a future where the ocean's fisheries have dwindled, and communities rely on expensive imported food, exacerbating poverty and inequality. In fact, a recent study estimated that over 80% of the world's marine species are vulnerable to extinction due to human activities. The consequences of inaction are dire, with some predicting the collapse of entire ecosystems within a few decades. It's a daunting prospect, but one that demands our attention and action for the sake of our planet and its inhabitants. Scientists are racing against time to understand the complex dynamics of ocean ecosystems and develop effective solutions. Their research reveals that even small changes in ocean temperature or chemistry can have far-reaching effects on marine life. For instance, a 1 degree C increase in ocean temperature can lead to a 10% decline in fish populations, with devastating consequences for communities that rely on them. But that's not the strangest part. Some scientists believe that the ocean's response to climate change may be more complex and unpredictable than we thought. Imagine a scenario where the ocean's response to warming waters triggers a cascade of events, leading to catastrophic consequences for marine life and ecosystems. And then something unexpected happened. A team of researchers discovered that certain species of coral could actually help mitigate the effects of climate change. These supercorals have evolved to withstand the stress of warming waters, and even produce chemicals that can help reduce ocean acidity. The discovery has sparked hope that we can find innovative solutions to the ocean's problems, rather than simply managing symptoms. However, scientists warn that the window for action is rapidly closing, and we must act now to prevent a catastrophic collapse of the ocean's ecosystem. Real-world consequences of inaction are already being felt, from the decline of fisheries to the devastating impact of plastic pollution on marine life. The impact of human activities on the ocean is staggering. It's estimated that plastic pollution alone kills over 1 million seabirds and 100,000 marine mammals every year. In a remarkable example of ocean resilience, some species have even adapted to the presence of plastic pollution, developing strategies to avoid or exploit these alien objects. Yet, despite these incredible adaptations, the ocean's overall health continues to deteriorate, with far-reaching consequences for human societies. The ocean's impact on climate change is a two-way street. It absorbs carbon dioxide, but also releases methane, a potent greenhouse gas. As the ocean's chemistry changes, it can trigger the release of methane, creating a self-reinforcing cycle of warming and acidification. This phenomenon occurs when a massive underwater landslide creates a megatsunami, with force equivalent to 1 billion nuclear bombs. It's a stark reminder of the ocean's power and fragility, and the need for urgent action to protect its delicate balance. The good news is that scientists are working tirelessly to develop innovative solutions to the ocean's problems, from ocean farming to marine protected areas. These efforts have already shown promising results, with some areas experiencing significant improvements in water quality and biodiversity. However, much more needs to be done to address the scale and complexity of the ocean's problems. As we continue to explore the ocean's depths and wonders, we must also acknowledge its limitations and vulnerabilities. The ocean's capacity to absorb carbon dioxide is finite, and we are rapidly approaching the point of no return. The consequences of inaction will be catastrophic, with far-reaching effects on global food security, economies, and human societies. But there is still hope. By working together, we can find innovative solutions to the ocean's problems and protect its delicate balance. The time for action is now. Will we rise to the challenge and protect the ocean's wonders, or will we succumb to the devastating consequences of inaction? As we reflect on the ocean's impact on our world, we must remember that we are not separate from nature, but an integral part of it. The ocean's health is our health, and its fate is in our hands. So let us work together to protect the ocean's wonders, for the sake of our planet and its inhabitants. The ocean's story is one of awe-inspiring beauty and profound importance. Let us cherish and preserve it for generations to come. If you found this fascinating, Subscribe for more incredible stories like this and join our journey of discovery. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our community of curious explorers. Join us on a journey of discovery and exploration as we uncover the wonders of the ocean and its impact on our world.